So there was a scene where Anupam Kher sir is the principal of the college, and I happened to pass by him, and he says, "Good morning, Feroz." I said, "Good morning, sir." And he says, he looks at me and says, "Feroz, cut your hair." And I say, "Jealous, huh?" That became very famous. And then after that, every producer or director I've been working on a film song, they said, Feroz is very good with DJing roles, so let him, play a DJ. And I never want to be an actor. So us time pe na, I used to do modeling also. I used to do modeling for international
You were
magazines.
basically doing everything. Like
I was a DJ also. If I had to say
that
this,
I of course know.
I told you that night ko main DJing सीख रहा था. I was playing DJing. I was doing DJing job also.
And you were doing DJing when DJing was not even a career.
Yeah, so
aaj ke
just
time mein.
imagine Arjun Rampal when they were
Yeah.
like big time models, they were just got into this field. They were like, I was that kind of league कि चलो वो भी DJing कर रहे थे, मैं भी सीख रहा था. So I did that, but I was very confused कि dancing करूँ, modeling करूँ,
करूँ,
DJing
acting
करूँ,
करूँ.
what was there? और घर पे कुछ पता नहीं है. Then I chose dancing because that I felt कि यार
Is your kick.
because बचपन से ही dancing का बड़ा शौक रहा है. और modeling ये था कि इंटरनेशनल मैगजीन्स की फोटो शूट होती तो कैमरे सामने खड़े रहो, पोज हो, शो एटीट्यूड एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था पसीना नहीं निकल रहा तो मजा नहीं आ रहा है. दैट वाज माय किक कि आई वांट टू जंप, आई वांट टू लाइक फील हाई अबाउट इट. कपड़े पहना, महंगे से महंगे कपड़े पहन के मॉडलिंग कर ली. आई शॉट फॉर डॉल्चे एंड गब्बाना. आई वाज द फर्स्ट मॉडल टू शॉट टाइटन फास्ट ट्रैक एड्स. I was the first model to be selected amongst 120 people during that time with the top female model. And then Dolce & Gabbana, Mufti, Shopper Stop. I have done all, most of the brands in the beginning. And then ये था कि dancing बहुत पसंद था
कहते हैं
तो.
भगवान का जब हाथ पड़ता है तो.
So then slowly, I've shot for calendars also, because very arty
Calendar
form.
shoots used to be so
big.
famous. Yeah, they used
So a
to
lot
be
of
so big.
photographers, you have some, very different face. We want to shoot. I said, yeah. So we used to shoot. I used to have fun. I enjoyed all my things what I've done in my life. But ये था dancing में उछल कूद, ये वो लोग साथ में बड़ा मजा आता था. तो I switched to that, slowly. But I never planned कि अभी मेरा next step क्या होगा. जब अम्मी को पता चला कुछ सालों बाद, जब किसी ने पहले तो उनको पता चला स्कूल के दिनों में जब मैं वो प्रोसेशन में डांस करता था, मेलों में, संदल में, कि आपका बेटा बड़ा बढ़िया डांस करता है. बोले मेरा बच्चा, मैंने कभी देखा नहीं डांस करते हो. हाँ, घर के आसपास में डांस करते, ठीक है. ये भी रोड पे भी डांस करने लगा, स्ट्रीट डांसर जैसा. तो एक दिन छुप के मेरी अम्मी ने मुझे देखा. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली शी केम एंड सेड, बेटा ठीक है कर रहे हो बट पढ़ाई भी बहुत जरूरी है. बट व्हेन आई देन स्कूल में तो ऑब्वियसली आई हैड टू पार्टिसिपेट, सो देयर वाज नॉट सेइंग नो अबाउट इट. बट ये था साथ साथ में एजुकेशन भी ये थी क्या, पढ़ो और अपने चीज़ों को ना भूलो, नमाज भी पढ़ो, कुरान शरीफ भी पढ़ो. तो उन्होंने सब कुछ
Do everything.
एंड वी डिड एवरीथिंग. So when she got to know that I'm doing this, when she got to know one day through newspapers that my name has come in the paper and Feroz is doing film songs and all, she's like, what? So बोले ठीक है, I think you need to do this only, I guess. So अभी you not going to listen to me. So उन्होंने एक ही कहा था कि अगर आप
That conversation was easy at home.
She made it very easy for me because मेरे से थक चुकी थी वो. बट यही था कि मैं what will I tell your father, तो ऐसे अम्मी प्लीज आप समझा दो. उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया. तो शी सेड ठीक है बेटा, अगर आपको इसी में कुछ करना है so make sure that you're not going to spoil your family's name or anyone's name.
I want to ask you something, Feroz sir.
Yeah.
Were you ever, were you ever affected by peer pressure as well, like that time? Because of course वो होता है ना, क्योंकि और कोई source of entertainment नहीं है, सिर्फ दोस्त यार ही होते हैं. अच्छा तू ये कर रहा है, तू ये कर रहा है, तो वो कर. Were you ever affected by peer pressure that time?
Not really, because everyone was enjoying, like even the surrounding of my friends, I was the only one who was into this.
Yeah.
तो जब मैं दूसरे दोस्तों के साथ पे जाके ये सब करता था तो वो अलग एक मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल होता था, और जो मस्ती वाला था वो अलग फ्रेंड सर्कल होता था.
अच्छा.
उनको भी नहीं पता होता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
और जब अम्मी ने जब साथ दे दिया, जब उन्होंने कहा कि बेटा कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं करना, कोई चीज़ों वो नहीं करना, इसलिए टुडे आई हैव नेवर टच अल्कोहल इन माय लाइफ. And today I'm 51. I just want to say that maybe because of all that, I still feel that one thing, अगर मैंने एक बात मानी है वो मेरे पेरेंट्स की है कि मेरी अम्मी खास करके, क्या मैं ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं करूँगा, रोज़े नहीं छोड़ूंगा. तो आज भी I keep all my 30 rozas. I become 5-time namazi during Ramzan. And then whenever I want to pray, I really pray. And then I become, but that's what I've not left till date. I still follow that, and I've not touched alcohol
And
till
this
date.
is, I think this is the biggest blessing. I mean,
Haan,
and that's why
because
you look young as well.
I
mean,
promised that to my mummy, and this all because of dancing, was because I'm always happy and always positive about things. So one leads to the other, and it just happened. And then uske baad mein I joined Farama.
yeah,
Doing
I
some-
was coming to that. Let's talk about Farah Khan. I mean,
Hmm.
actually, she was the turning point in your life.
Haan.
So, I mean, take me through that entire journey. Like, how did that change your life?
So after Ahmed Bhai 6 months, मैं फिर घर पे रहता था, and like between that I used to go and play music in the night, and
Hmm.
all that I used to do. Then one day we got a call for an audition,
Hmm.
and there were some 100 dancers audition was going on, and I was किसी ने आके I was doing some rehearsals. Meanwhile, I got close to a couple of corporate people, choreographers who used to do corporate shows and all that. तो मैं उनका कोई एक शो का रिहर्सल कर रहा था, and then one friend became friend later.
Yeah,
So he came and said there's an audition for Farah Khan in 1996 Miss World
fantastic.
in Bangalore, and she's looking for 100 dancers, 50 boys, 50 girls.
Hmm.
So उसको audition देना है. So I went to do the audition, and I was selected. And that's how it started. So I did my first show in September 1996. I can never remember. I can never
How-
forget those
yeah.
days. 1996. इसलिए मैं बोला अभी 2026 30 साल सितंबर में कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे इंडस्ट्री में आके. And then I auditioned. I was selected. And then उसके बाद में उन्होंने देखा कि जो बेस्ट उसमें से 50 में थे, तो she was the queen since the beginning, doing so many songs and all that. So she said, yeah, I need few dancers from this group because मेरे लंबे बाल होते थे, French beard होती थी, skinny boy with
Skinny
six
boy,
packs
yeah.
that time and all that. तो बोले इनको सबको ले लो. That's how I started there. And within 2 years I became her assistant. I've danced in all her films from कुछ कुछ होता है, K3G, Kal Ho Na Ho,
yeah.
all the songs.
No, but that is big as well.
Yeah.
And I mean, how did that first interaction with Farah Khan even happen? And Farah Khan,
Okay.
like, I mean,
That's a really funny this thing to it. So
Incident,
the
yeah.
first day when we reached for the audition, so everyone says ke Farah Khan, Farah Khan. So I used to feel I never knew the name Farah Khan as a choreographer. I knew the name Farah Khan as an actress. There was an actress called Farah Khan, Tabu,
Acha,
Tabu
okay.
Ma'am's sister.
Yeah, okay.
very
okay,
famous
yeah.
in those days. So I said, "वो आ रही होंगी."
You worked with Tabu ma'am also.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So I happened, then she entered, and then she entered the room because she was always, quick and responsive and very, okay, guys,
She's very
everyone,
hardworking,
yeah,
no?
very hardworking.
She's very
And the
hardworking.
very good, amazing teacher, her beautiful nature and everything. But when she's at work, she's so professional, thorough professional. Whatever I'm here today in front of you, all because of her and all thanks to her. She's a family now.
Yeah.
I call her Ma. And
God
then-
bless her all the
Yeah,
time.
exactly. And then such a beautiful soul. She happened, and जो चिल्ला के जैसी वो आई, because she has to conduct so many people, less time, prepare for a Miss World, such a big thing. And we were hosting Miss World that time, 96. Controversy भी हो रही थी, all that. So she was under a lot of pressure, and she came, and I got really scared. I said, Farah Khan कब आएंगी? तो बोले यही Farah Khan है, she's the choreographer. So what? बोले हाँ यही तो टीचर है. तो मैं एकदम डर गया because the way, तो मैं बहुत डर के मैंने किया. तब मुझे पता चला कि there's a choreographer called Farah.
Farah Khan as well.
And then not just the actress, she's someone else. This is how it started with her.
Oh,
And
wow.
then got into a troupe, and then वो best 10 फिर best 5 होते थे ना, तो best 10 से best 5 हुए,
So
फिर
best
best 4
five.
हुए, कि अभी ये 4 लोग shows करेंगे. तो she used to do shows also. We have done shows for, we have done tours, America, Bollywood Awards, where I got to meet the most amazing and the
Amazing.
most, you won't believe, I even met MJ, Michael Jackson.
You've met Michael
I was
Jackson.
at the show, performing, and I saw him. I was in the first row dancing, and he happened to enter and sat right in front of us. And the energy level went next level. We happened to see him. I met Jackie Chan sir
वो
for
तो-
IFA Awards, and then he
course.
got to India where Ma was doing the choreography for a film, Kung Fu Yoga.
Yes.
And she said, I want you to go and train him. So I went personally to train him in Jaipur. I had spent some amazing time with Jackie Chan sir.
No, but I
So-
mean, wait, I still can't get over the fact that you met Michael Jackson, but yeah. But throughout this entire journey, and of course, then DID came along.
Yeah.
We will talk about that as well.
Yeah.
But what is the most memorable incident with Farah Khan?
all my background announcing days because we used to
Yeah.
have the most of the fun. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was the
हाँ,
best
कुछ-कुछ
because
होता है।
that was the first film. I think I went abroad, Mauritius. So in the beginning, all the college outdoor scene you see is Mauritius,
अच्छा।
and all the indoor scene is shot in Mumbai Mehboob Studio. This is
वाओ!
how. So if you see in the film the bus which goes on the picnic, it says going to Goa. You know that Goa picnic trip, but it
हाँ।
was actually shot in Mauritius.
ओह वाओ!
Yeah, so we
ओके।
were in Mauritius, staying in such a beautiful motel right in front of the beach, having an amazing time, and so many boys and girls as friends. We've gone there. We had the most amazing time there, going there for like 15 days, 20 days, shooting 2, 3 songs and scenes and all. It was amazing. I think that was the most memorable time. You know, even I had a thing, I was preparing for Chaya Chaya.
Yeah.
I was, because that by that time I had made little contacts in the industry, so doing corporate shows, doing music videos, started doing industry thing. And then we were preparing for Chaya Chaya, so I rehearsed for Chaya Chaya,
Which is one of the
everything.
most iconic songs. Like,
Yes,
I mean,
sat in the bus to leave for, because that time there was no flights for people, right? Because buses, we used to enjoy those days. आज तो सबको फ्लाइट चाहिए, किसी को बस में गोवा तक भी नहीं जाना है,
नहीं जाना।
है ना? सबको भी फ्लाइट में गोवा जाना है, which
Convenient.
is a 40 minutes flight from Mumbai. But we used to enjoy going Goa that time, 12,
Mumbai,
15
Goa,
hours
yeah.
to, Mumbai to Goa. आज assistants, dancers, सबको
Flight
flights
चाहिए।
because time has changed. हम उस टाइम हमारे को इतना ही मिलता था, हम उसमें भी खुश होते थे. We used to feel because those were the times, simple days, simple times. फिर हम गए वहाँ पे, शूट किया, आए, had great fun. Then बॉम्बे में आके फिर शूट किया हमने.
And shooting with Shah Rukh Khan.
The most amazing person to work with.
Yeah.
I think I've worked the most with him.
I've had a brief interaction with him and someone that I used to work with who used to work very closely. So I know, like, whatever said about him is all true. He's one of the most humble humans anyone can come across.
I think we'll have a lot of episodes just talking about him because there's not even a moment where because he's played a very important role in my life from the
Have you
beginning.
ever been mistreated by any actor? वो कहता है अच्छा choreographer तो है.
Arman, I'll be very honest, because I've worked with the best, for example, Farah Mahmood,
Yeah.
So under her guidance, all the actors have seen me in the background dancing. They've seen me like Shah Rukh bhai. Shah Rukh sir, I've worked as a background dancer, Yes Boss, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho, most of the films, K3G.
K3G.
So he've seen me everywhere. Mohabbatein.
मोहब्बतें also.
Also we did because all the songs which Farah was
Farah
doing, part of
Khan
all the songs. Even when she made Mehuna as a director, Geeta Ma,
Maan,
who's
Geeta
so
Maan was there,
famous,
of course.
we both branched out as an assistant choreographers and became individual choreographers. But we worked on Mehuna, we worked on Om Shanti Om,
Oh.
worked on a lot of, till date, whatever she's doing, been part of all the projects as a mentor because we became like a family.
Yeah.
Learned so much from her. So kabhi hua nahi. Even when I was Happy New Year, and during the Happy New Year, I had signed for DID season 4 as a judge, as a mentor. And they were like, I have memories about those also. They all they've been interviewed, all the actors from Shah Rukh
Yeah.
bhai to Abhishek Bachchan to Boman Irani sir to Farah Ma to Deepika Padukone. They all spoke about me in Dubai, about me coming on the show and how I am and all that. That was the most memorable thing for me.
But Firoz, so all these stories do sound very fancy and very easygoing, and you're making it sound so simple that you got through and you got the biggest breaks, you got to meet the biggest people. But I'm pretty sure there are a lot of hardships. I mean, behind. Of course, it's a struggle, and especially in those times where you don't know anyone, you're coming from the streets of Mumbai. Contacts आपके बहुत बाद में बने. So, like, what were the learnings as you gradually, and were you stabbed in the back a lot of times?
I would say that struggle कभी नहीं किया मैंने क्योंकि मुझे नाम ही नहीं देना उस struggle का because it was always been a beautiful journey. I called it a journey instead of struggle because जब तक आप उस चीज़ से गुजरोगे नहीं आपको पता नहीं चलता.
सही बात है.
I think I had the best journey in every form. From the beginning till here, it's just been a journey. There's never been a struggle. Struggle तो families, parents ने की है, उनको बोलेंगे struggle because वो जो चाहते हैं हमने नहीं किया. फिर उन्होंने इतना मेहनत से कमाया और हमारी एजुकेशन की, ये सब की, तो struggle उनका होता है, हमारा नहीं हो. हमने तो सिर्फ हमारी मर्जी की है ना.
But were there any hard times at home? financially or emotionally?
I've seen it, but they never हमारे तक नहीं आया.
Yeah, I want you to talk
हाँ.
about, because you know all the students who want to pursue
Yeah.
dance, they must know.
हार्डशिप हमने अपनी फैमिली की देखी है, अम्मी की देखी है, खाला जान की देखी है कि जब वो कुएं से पानी निकाल के लाती थी, या हमारी गंदगी साफ करके, हमें दूर जाना पड़ता था वॉशरूम के लिए, तो वो हमारी गंदगी बाहर से घर के
Those
बाहर
times as well.
साफ करके, वो सारी देखी है उन्होंने, हमें कभी वो करने नहीं दिया. सो स्ट्रगल उन्होंने ही किया है. वो पानी, गंदा पानी वेल से लाते लाते जब बारिश होती थी तो सबके झोपड़े या झुग्गी से साथ में हो
पानी
जाए,
ड्रिप
तो
होता था.
गंदा पानी ना गिरे तो उसको अच्छे से कवर करते थे ताकि हम साफ पानी पी पाए. फिर उसको घर पे लाके बॉईल करना, तो मेमोरी अभी भी फ्रेश है दिमाग में, बिकॉज हमने सब देखा, बट हमारे पे कभी उन्होंने वो लाने नहीं दिया कि आप स्ट्रगल करो. तो स्ट्रगल उन्होंने किया, स्ट्रगल हमने नहीं.
And when you bought your first house, I mean, I'm pretty sure that was
I
a
didn't
big-
buy my first house. My ammi bought our first house, and from there she made. वाले चले गए थे तो within few years she जोड़ो some money and इकट्ठा करके उसको एक का दो करके one room kitchen लिया. When I was in grade 4th, I was just switching to grade 5.
Okay.
उस time पे तो एक one room kitchen in a building flat on the 4th floor we got it. Same place, Mahim, one area.
In
In a
that,
paradise के.
what was it, a chawl? I mean, that's what they call it, no?
No. We were in a building. मतलब उन्होंने जुग्गी से चौल में जाने के मौके नहीं दिया, जुग्गी से सीधा
सीधा
फ्लैट में ले गई,
building.
बिल्डिंग में ले गई,
हाँ.
मतलब ऊंचाई पे ले गई.
Wow.
जहाँ हम यहाँ थे, विद इन माई एजुकेशन टिल द 4th 5th grade, शी मेड अस रीच टॉप.
That height.
तो उन्होंने बचपन में दिखा दिया था.
And that is a beauty of Indian mothers, that they
Yes.
want to save.
Yes.
So I mean, they are
Yeah.
richer than our
हम
fathers. And
we cannot reach to that
Match,
level.
yeah.
Never कभी होगा भी नहीं, ना होना भी नहीं चाहिए, because वही एग्जाम्पल होनी चाहिए. हम किसी के लिए एग्जाम्पल नहीं सेट करना चाहिए. वही जो हमारे पेरेंट्स है ना, they should set example, for everyone.
with everyone.
Yeah.
Anyway, talking about good stuff.
Yeah.
Talking about working with Shah Rukh Khan, Ahmed Khan, God knows who. I can just keep on taking. Farah ma'am के साथ तो इतने लोगों ने काम भी किया है. So, any funny incident that you can tell us about?
नहीं, बहुत सारे फनी से, मतलब रोज कुछ ना
बहुत
कुछ ज़्यादा. मैं मस्ती खोर बहुत होता था, तो मैं मस्ती बहुत करता था. एंड आई रिमेंबर बहुत फनी सा इंसिडेंस है, जब हम वो फिल्म कर रहे थे मोहब्बतें, तो उसमें एक सॉन्ग है, दुनिया में कितनी है नफरतें.
हाँ, वही.
तो उसमें एक सीन है जहाँ पे शाहरुख सर प्लेइंग द ढोल,
Yeah.
and then everyone's dancing, and suddenly they see Amit sir, the legendary.
Of course.
Yeah, he's entering the frame and all that. So I was assisting and I was dancing in that song. And Farama said कि फिर उस position दे दो, and you have to show Amit sir
Amitabh Bachchan.
how to walk in through the crowd. Just give the position for the camera and just show him. She was showing the shot. तो मुझे नहीं पता था अमित सर आके मॉनिटर पे बैठ के देखने के लिए कैमरा.
And he also has a lot of fun, no? Like I've heard.
He is the most amazing person.
He's very naughty, he's very
very,
snarky.
very nice.
Yeah.
He's like a father figure for everyone, but he's amazing. Even his son Abhishek. तो हम वो शॉट कर रहे थे. मैं एक्चुअली सब दोस्तों के साथ में ब्रेक होता था, चाय पी रहे थे हम. तो पेपर ग्लास में चाय थी, तो माँ ने कहा फिर जल्दी आओ, शॉट दिखाओ, कैमरा रेडी है. मतलब ठीक है माँ. तो मैं टाइम नहीं मिला, वो पेपर ग्लास खत्म हो गया था फेंकने का, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, तो मैंने सब पीछे हाथ रख लिया था. एंड देन आई वॉक माई हैंड्स फोल्डिंग बिहाइंड, लाइक आई एम वॉकिंग, द कैमरा मूव्स एंड आई एम वॉकिंग विद इट थ्रू द क्राउड मूव्स एंड ऑल दैट हैपेंड. और उनकी गाड़ी है जो फिल्म के, तो उनकी एक्चुअल गाड़ी है मर्सिडीज खड़ी वाइट कलर की.
हाँ.
तो वो मर्सिडीज के सामने आके वो खड़े हो, मतलब वो अभी गाड़ी से उतरे तो वो सामने आके खड़े हुए मर्सिडीज के. तो मैं वहीं पे खड़े रह के ना, वो एक्चुअली वो नहीं वॉक करके आ रहे, क्राउड
Crowd
पार्टिंग
is,
एंड ही
yeah.
जस्ट स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर. और वो कैमरा पीछे जाके देन इज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, तो वो हो गया वो शॉट, मानने वाला ओके कट. और मैंने क्या किया, मस्ती खोर मस्ती मजाक चलती रहती थी. मैंने वो ग्लास ऐसा हाथ में लिया और कैमरा सामने ही था, जिमी जिप पे कैमरा था, तो मैं सामने हाथ में रख के उनकी एक्टिंग कर दी मैंने. हे साला क्या बोलता है, विच वॉज रॉन्ग ऑन माई पार्ट दैट टाइम. आई डिड दैट. एंड उधर से माँ ने जोर से चिल्लाया फिर ओस करके माइक पे. और मैंने ऐसा करके देखा तो वहाँ पे शाहरुख सर, अनुपम खेर सर, अर्चना मैम, मतलब जो भी एक्टर्स जितने भी गाने में थे सारे बैठे हुए थे.
हाँ.
And Amit ji was watching. And Amit ji sitting on a chair in front of the monitor like this.
Yeah.
And when she told me, Firoz, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
वो मुझे नहीं पता कैमरा ऑन है, वहाँ पे देख रहे हैं सब लोग. और उन्होंने अपनी कुर्सी से पीछे करके ना मेरी तरफ देखा ऐसा करके. और मैं पसीनो पसीन हो गया. एंड शाहरुख सर की तरफ मैं देखा, शाहरुख सर ने बोले
तू तो गया।
मतलब he did that to me कि you're gone now. And I was so scared. Sir उठे वहां से अमन जी. He start walking in front of me. Absolute pin drop silence on set. और मेरी तरफ चल के आने 200-300 लोग, crowd, dancers, everyone, the whole unit was there. मतलब 400-500 यूनिट था, बट जो कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट और ये सारे थे 200 लोग थे.